Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. This goes out to all of our OFWs, our kababayan. I will be teaching you how to generate your PRN or your payment reference number so you could make a monthly payment contribution with SSS using the SSS mobile app. So if you could remember with my previous video, I showed you how to register your SSS online. We all know that if you're working abroad, yung employer mo will not pay your monthly contributions with SSS. So it's a good thing that SSS has made an improvement regarding the remittance process of contributions for overseas Filipino members. Now, you do not need to go to any satellite office or Bayad centers. Instead, just go online anytime, anywhere. Lahat ng mga kababayan natin abroad, maraming salamat sa mga pagsisikap at sakripisyo nyo. Alam namin na namimiss yung pamilya nyo. But of course, most importantly, kailangan ingatan nyo ang iyong kalusugan and make sure that you are able to save for your future. So before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe so you will be notified for my next informative videos for you. Now, considering that we already have completed the SSS online registration, so we now have our user ID and password. Okay, now what we're going to do right now is to make a monthly payment contributions using the SSS mobile app. So now all we have to do is go to our SSS mobile app. Let's go to the sign-in page and you will see there the user ID and the password. All you have to do is just enter in your alphanumeric user ID and password. And please take note, characters should not be any other special characters aside from underscore. So after that, you can click on sign in. Now, once you've signed in, you will be routed to their homepage and you will see there your information, your contributions, your loans, your benefits, maternity notification, as well as generate PRN. So doon tayo pupunta. We'll just need to tap on that icon that says generate PRN. And you see there sa upper rightmost part ng screen nyo, you see there create. So just click on that one and generate. Okay. So now we are on this page where information will be needed. So first information will be the membership type. So just click on the drop down arrow and you see there two options, whether you are a voluntary member or OFW. Now in this case we are an OFW, so we will be choosing that. And the next information that's needed is applicable period. So let's say for example applicable periods would be February of this year 2020 up until April of this year. Now right after that you will need to choose the monthly contribution that you have. So mostly we have a minimum of 960 pesos for OFW, so we'll be choosing that. And now you see there under total amount, it's amounting to 2,880 pesos. So that's the total amount that we will be paying for our monthly contributions. Now once confirmed, we'll just need to click on submit. And then after that, you will be asked to confirm all information in here before we are able to get our PRN. So once we're good, just click on OK to continue. Okay, and there you go. So this is how your PRN would look like. So this is the payment reference number. So that's the first thing that you will see before your information. Okay, so nakikita nyo dyan, overseas contract worker, applicable periods, monthly contribution on how much, and then the due date. So kung kailan yung due date nyo, makikita nyo rin dyan. So we have a total amount that will need to be paid. So nakikita nyo sa gilid, merong pay na icon. So click lang natin yan. So once we are done clicking the pay icon, you will be routed to the payment method page wherein makikita nyo yung dalawang option for you to make a payment. So let's say for example, gagamitin nyo yung PayMaya account nyo. Please bear in mind, meron siyang convenience fee of 10 pesos. Now, if ever naman you would like to use your credit or your debit card, it has a convenience fee of 50 pesos and 40 cents. So at this time, we will use the option for credit and debit card. So we'll be choosing that. So you will be prompted again kung magkano yung magiging final total amount to be paid kasi nga may convenience fee. So again, that's 50 pesos and 40 cents on top of your monthly contribution. So now it gets to the total amount of 2,930 pesos and 40 cents. So we'll just click on OK. So once we've done that, we'll just need to wait as it's generating. This is what you will see on your screen, the SSS payment page, wherein your card information will be needed, of course, from your complete name down to the card number, expiry date, and the CVV code. Now, after that, you will be asked on where to receive your receipt. So, itatanungin kayo or magpa-prompt kung saan nyo gusto ma-receive yung resibo nyo. So, it's either you will enter in your email address here para dun mo matanggap yung receipt, or you can enter your mobile number here para dun mo naman matanggap yung resibo mo. So we have two options. Now, once we've done that, you can now just go ahead and click on Pay Now. So once you have clicked on Pay Now, so that's the time that you will receive your notification receipt informing you that payment has now been successful. Now guys, by the way, just a reminder, so it's a good thing that we have this SSS mobile app because the payment that you will be making here is real-time posting. So real-time magpo-post yung payment nyo. You do not need to wait for 3 to 4 days or a couple of days for your payment to be posted. Okay? So ganun lang kadali ang pagbayad ng inyong SSS monthly contribution. So kung nakatulong at nagustuhan niyo ang video na to, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much all for watching. Until next time!